What up guys, welcome to another video. Today's a quick and easy install. We're changing the fog lights on my STI, or if you have a WRX, it's the exact same thing from the factory, 2015 plus. These are LED, C lights are LED, but this really bright fog light I never turn on because it's a halogen and it really throws off the front end of the look, because everything else is LED, throws off the front end of the look, throws off the look of the front end. But yeah, so we're gonna install it. It's actually super easy. Let me just show you guys real quick. I jacked the car up a little bit, but underneath I actually like tore off some of the plastic, so it's really easy to get to, but all you guys have to do is loosen a couple pins and then twist the bulb and then it's out. But I'll leave the link below if you guys want to order the bulbs to put these in. It's very easy. This is the front bumper of the car. We go under, blah blah blah, literally right here, tire, right in here. You can actually get to that bulb. Let me see if I can grab it. Twist it. Ow, ow, ow. That's it. Literally disconnect it. The box with the new lights. This is one of the lights, and then it also comes with these little, deals to have if you want to have a yellow light. I figured out that these little strips of yellow and blue actually are like stickers. You peel them off in a square and then wrap them around the end of the light right here. Maybe down the road I'm actually gonna add the yellow. It's a little bit ricer, but I think with this look with the blue and gold, it's not ideal. I mean, it is ideal, but it's not. I'm gonna wait till it's like a silver charcoal gray silver combo, and then I got some yellow stuff in the works. So light is in place. It does not fit as like plug and play as like the OEM one does, this little guy. I had to kind of finagle it in there, line up the 3 prongs, push kind of hard, then barely twist it in. Give yourself a little patience and make sure you do it right without breaking the plastic. But now underneath we're dealing with some wires hanging down, so I'm going to go ahead and zip tie these later, but let's go ahead and see how it looks. When it's so hot in AZ that this 3M adhesive doesn't even do anything, it just falls down. Well, now it's holding, but in the middle of the day it gets so hot it goes. Oh wow, yo, that is bright. Yeah, the regular white matches that perfectly. I'm stoked. On the other side now, a little bit more difficult to get to because it's not broken. So we need to remove the plastic clips. If you guys don't have one of these tools, it's like a little fork. I'll leave a link below. They're for like plastic fasteners. They are amazing. You can keep using the same plastic fasteners instead of breaking them if you have this tool. So there's a couple underneath that you have to get. It's super obvious once you get underneath. Pull that down a little bit, just like we did on the other side, and we're gonna swap it out. That is it. It's super simple. Link is below for the light bulbs. This is the old one, tiny, not very bright, yellow, orange, gross color. Order them down below. Andrew, thanks so much for sponsoring this video with these lights. They're solid, super bright. Yeah, and then this tool is below, it's super handy. And then, oh, one more thing, I have another cool shop light I need to show you. Adu sent me this really cool shop light. Check it out. It's actually got little spots to like set it up on the ground or at an angle. So flat like this or at an angle if you're underneath the car. I used it the other day when I changed my oil and it helped me so much. But it's even crazier before I show you the lights. Unscrew the top, charger port, mini USB, and then a USB to charge your phone. Pretty rad. It's waterproof. It's got rubber seals to keep the water out, but let's turn on the light. Power buttons on this side, lights on this side as well. So we got the flashlight, and then this comes on 1 stage, 2, 3. Again, orange. You can see through dust, and then ooh, might be pulling some pranks on some friends with the popo. Yeah, I do. Thanks so much for sending this. Link below is for this also. I'll have everything organized. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget karmaspeed.com. I'm doing a mailing list of the people who want to see first some clothing for the Mazda Speed, Subaru people, maybe off-road soon, a bunch of cool car products and things like that. I gotta get you guys hyped up. It's exciting. I got a lot of things in the works, a lot to do on my end. I am working 40 hours a week that I get home and I keep working like crazy. My friends hate me sometimes, but I'm grinding and you guys are gonna enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think that's it. Again, I always say that. Later.